Hello everyone. In this video I wanted to take a look at this question today. I wanted to talk about it, which is pre-populating your description or having some kind of template when you try to raise an issue in Jira. And this is of course not something that people don't want to do on cloud. This is a very common thing that people are looking for on Jira Cloud as well, because on server version of Jira, this can be achieved using either an app or using a script for Jira. I mean, there are multiple possibilities on server version, but on cloud, you have some limitations. So Stephanie is trying to understand whether we can use automation rule to pre-populate the description of the issue. Now you can definitely update the issue when the issue has been created, or maybe based on any other event. It could be a transition event or it could be some kind of a job, but updating a description field later on is not same as having a template. Now if you want to add a template, then if you want to do it natively, the only option that I can think of is updating the description field of your description field. So for each and every custom field or system field in Jira, we do have a description. It's not really a field, but yeah, there is a description area for all the fields. And the purpose of this particular description is to basically display some kind of a message for the end user. So let me show you how it looks like. So if I create a new issue and I do have like a description in one of my project, so basically you will find some text like this, and in this particular text area you can actually give instructions to your users. Of course it is not really a template, but I think this is still not bad. And to do this you need to basically modify the field configuration of your project and issue type. So if you go to your field configurations, I mean, it depends if your field configurations or field configuration scheme is being used by other projects or not, but let us take a look at it. So if you go to fields, you will find your field configuration scheme, and right now I have just one field configuration scheme, which is default field configuration, which is being used by my 5 issue types. If I click on the edit, I can then modify it. So what you need to do when you modify this, you can then find your field. So the field that I was talking about is this one, description. And what you can do, you can actually edit this particular field, and maybe you can add your description here. Usually if you do something like this, like hyphen, it will convert to the bullet points. You can do a bit of formatting, but not really a lot. I think it is quite enough for most cases. So you can actually update this and make sure, of course, you're doing it only for the specific field configuration which is being used in the field configuration scheme used by your project. Because right now, if I make a change like this, it will affect all the 17 projects. So if I go to my create issue, if I try to create a bug, I have the description. If I go to maybe a different project, let us go to service desk, maybe not service desk, but let us click on Scrum, because I know it is a software project using the same scheme. So yeah, this will now come, and I think this is quite useful. And although it is not really a template, for templating, try to find an app. But on cloud version, I think this is the best thing that you can do. And that is it. That is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much. Bye bye.